Hello everybody, my name is Pete Lennox and welcome to the channel. So today got a 2013 Cadillac XTS and the brake lights are not coming on. So what I'm going to try to do is change this brake assembly, this brake bulb assembly. Show you what this looks like. So we're going to have to take this off right here. This light, and I'm going to have to remove this to do it. And so let me grab some tools and we will get started. Alright, so if you can see this, looks like there's some little plastic pins here holding this in. There's one there. I don't know if there's any more. I'm going to take that one out. Get a screwdriver. Let's see if I can get it out with that. Alright. Let's see. Try this little one. Alright, so that thing didn't. So as you can see, this little pin did not come out. It actually pulled it out through there. So I'm probably going to take that out. And so here's one of the bolts. If you can see, it's holding this thing in. There's another one down here, and some people say there's one more. So we'll see. We'll see where the other ones are. Anyway, let me see if I can get. I think it's supposed to be an 8mm. 8mm socket. So that's what I'm going after next. And that is for these two I know of. One right here. And then there's another one right down here. I'm touching right there. So those are the two I can see. Oh, here's another one. There's one right here. There's the third one. Okay, so there are three. One right up here. There it is right there. Alright, so I got me an 8mm wrench and socket, and so let's see if this is going to work here. Okay, so that one is loose with my finger. Alright, there we go. Now, where is that other one? Okay, There's one right here. Get that one. I just got this one left up on top here. This one is a little harder to get to because of the spring. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see if I can get two hands on it and still keep the camera on it. Yes, I got that one loose. And I got the third one off. So now this thing should come right out. Let's see. And it does. Comes right out. Ooh. There's something broken in here. Huh. It got broke somehow. Alright. Okay. I got it out, and this thing, the piece that I'm replacing, just fell right off. Check this out. All corroded, completely burned up. So, don't know how that happened, but we're going to put a new one on. Okay. There we go. I got that connector off. A little bit of corrosion on that too. Okay. That piece broke off. Wow. Alright, well, let's try and put the new one in and see how it goes. Okay, so you look, there's like a longer little piece here, and there's two short ones. If you look down here, longer one, two short ones. So try and line them up and see. This will just fit down in here. It does not appear to be fitting down in there. Got it out. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook this back up. I'm gonna test it before I put it back together. Let's see if the brake lights are working. Okay, so I got this piece back in here. There we go. I'm just going to put the bolts back in. Unfortunately, one of these bolts broke off. Broke off of this piece, so I can only put 2 back on. Or replace the whole thing, it looks like, but I'm not going to do that, so I'll just put 2 back on. And I did check it. This one is working. This other one is still not working, so we're going to get another bulb for this one. And yeah, hopefully that'll take care of everything. Thanks for watching. Turn off the... Okay, step on the brake. 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 Step on the brake again. Okay.